Hey y'all, we are at 1820 Spillman in 78704. We are 1 mile from Barton Springs in this beautiful Zilker neighborhood. Come check out this beautiful home that we have listed. If you want more information, Nick and I are your real estate advisors. So welcome to the great room. This is a beautiful home.
This house is fantastic. In fact, there are 2 bedrooms over here to the right in the west wing of the house, and also a laundry area. And check out this wall. This is totally unique. There's some secret doors in here. It's a pretty fantastic property with a lot of great features.
Indeed, here is a very workable kitchen. I love so much about this. You have a huge walk-in pantry. Here's access to your garage. There are 2 sinks. This is a culinary person's dream. And then you come through your living room. Notice the fireplace on the inside. Here we are. On the outside, you also have an amazing fireplace as well as another outside chef's kitchen. This home has so much to desire as far as inside-outside livability.
In fact, the backyard is zero escape, and then, of course, easy maintenance, of course. So it looks very nice, and there's bamboo, and also a very attractive house in the back, so your neighbors are obviously pretty cool. There's an upstairs in this property as well, as Diane mentioned, for the 2 stories with the 3 bedrooms that it has. There's also a putting green over here. This could be used for pets as well, but otherwise it's very well suited for anybody that's wanting to move into the Travis Heights area, 78704. One of the greatest things about this property is the master suite, which is downstairs and has its own exit entrance into this wonderful backyard.
That's right. So we are in the downstairs suite. There's also an ensuite that is upstairs. It's totally private. It has its own balcony. It's like a bird's nest, so to speak. And then check out this awesome master. You have this amazing soaking tub, very deep, very luxurious, with a window as well as a shower with a stone. And then right through here is your huge closet. This is all done with the California custom closets. Just notice all of this. It's very personalized, very specific to your needs. And one of the fun things about this home is the mix of materials. You have the concrete floors downstairs. You have metal stairs as well as the wood wall. And there are a couple of secret doors in here. One of the best feature of this house is how it lets the natural light in. So check out your trees, check out your nature, check out the starlight. What other home has stars above you any time of the day? So we're at 1820 Spillman. Contact us for more information. Nick and I are your real estate advisors.